Phalaenopsis lobbii, a delicate dance between beauty and care. I'm Ferb Vu, and orchids are my passion. Today, we're waltzing with the captivating Phalaenopsis lobbii, a miniature marvel in the orchid world. This petite charmer boasts unique blooms and specific needs, making it a captivating companion for orchid enthusiasts of all levels. What is Phalaenopsis lobbii? Imagine a Phalaenopsis with a touch of whimsy. Phalaenopsis lobbii, also known as Lobbie's moth orchid, is an epiphytic orchid native to India and Southeast Asia. Unlike its more common cousins, the lobbii is a compact charmer, typically sporting just one or two elliptical leaves that reach around 4 to 5 inches long. But the magic unfolds in its blooms. These star-shaped blossoms, usually measuring less than an inch across, come in a delightful combination of creamy white and chocolate. The star-shaped petals are a canvas of white, while the lip, the pouch-like structure at the flower's base, boasts two distinctive brown bands. The blooms appear sequentially, ensuring a captivating display for weeks. While not fragrant, their delicate beauty is enough to steal the show. Phalaenopsis lobbii versus Phalaenopsis hybrids, a tale of two orchids. New to orchids? You might be wondering how Phalaenopsis lobbii compares to the more widely available Phalaenopsis hybrids. Here's a quick breakdown. Size. Lobbii is a miniature, while hybrids come in various sizes, from petite to grand. Flowers. Lobbii boasts unique, star-shaped blooms with brown markings. Hybrids often have larger, more colorful flowers in a wider variety of shapes. Care. Lobbii requires slightly more specific care, particularly regarding light. Hybrids are generally more forgiving. Think of it this way. Phalaenopsis hybrids are the flamboyant social butterflies of the orchid world, while the lobbii is the elegant, captivating introvert. Both have their own charm, and the choice depends on your personal preference and experience level. How to care for Phalaenopsis lobbii. Keeping your Phalaenopsis lobbii happy requires understanding its specific needs. Here's a waltz through the key elements. Light. Lobbii thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a tree canopy. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or west-facing windows are ideal. Temperature. As an intermediate grower, lobbii prefers temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, during the day and slightly cooler at night. Avoid drastic temperature fluctuations. Watering. Unlike some orchids, lobbii enjoys consistent moisture. Aim for the potting mix to be slightly moist to the touch, never soggy or bone dry. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity, around 60 to 70%, is ideal. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or a humidifier can help create a favorable environment. Potting media. Lobbii thrives in a well-draining, airy potting mix. Sphagnum moss is a popular choice, but orchid bark or a mix of both can work well. Fertilizing. During active growth, use a balanced orchid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month. Avoid fertilizing during blooming or in resting periods. Remember, consistency is key. By providing your lobbii with the right environment and care routine, you'll be rewarded with its captivating blooms for weeks on end. Where to find Phalaenopsis lobbii? Phalaenopsis lobbii might not be as readily available as its hybrid cousins. However, with a little searching, you can find this orchid gem at specialty orchid nurseries, online retailers, and orchid shows. Be prepared for slightly higher prices compared to hybrids due to its rarity. Final thoughts. A rewarding dance with Phalaenopsis lobbii. Phalaenopsis lobbii might require a touch more attention than your average orchid, but the reward is a truly unique and captivating bloom. With a bit of understanding and the right care routine, you can create the perfect environment for this miniature marvel to thrive in your home. So, are you ready to waltz with the Phalaenopsis lobbii?